Good afternoon to all the employers out there watching right now. I'm Lota Macalin, 56 years old, separated and no kids. I've been working experience another country, Brunei and Saudi, Taiwan. I know how to cook Chinese food, some basic Western food, taking care of children, and then this current my employer taking care, first time taking care of the newborn until she growing up right now, 8 years old. I'm very much hardworking, trustworthy, loving, care and loving, and the most important, good God fearing. I'm very, very trust him. And I'm much more experience about taking care of children, toddler, but newborn baby is right now. I have been experienced with another help Chinese because my current employer is first time daughter to have her. Thank you very much. Hoping to meet you soon. Thank you very much, madam. Bye bye.